Hi fellow ultimate DBot traders, here is a quick guide on how to use the RSI centerline accumulator DBot. Drag and drop the XML file on the DBot platform. It will load the strategy blocks. At run once at start block, you can set your preferred stake, martingale, target profit, and stop loss levels. At trade options block, you can set your growth rate, that is the percentage at which your stake will grow per tick, as long as the current spot price remains within the set barrier. For this bot, I recommend using 3% to 5% growth rate for best risk management. The purchase conditions block is where the logic of the bot is coded. The bot uses RSI indicator analysis. If the tick RSI price is greater than 49 and less than 51, the bot has been programmed to execute a trade. The reasoning behind it is that when price is at 50 RSI level, it indicates that the market price is in consolidation. For best monitoring of your trades, click on Trading View Chart and open the market that the bot is trading. In this case, it is Volatility 101 S Index market, and set it to 1 minute time frame. Click on Indicators and search for the Relative Strength Index Indicator, or the RSI, with default settings. On the left hand side, select the Trendline tool and mark the 40 RSI level. And also mark the 60 RSI level. If price stays within those levels, it means price is consolidating and it is safe to run this bot. If price breaks above or below those levels, it means price is trending and there will be many breakouts, so it is not safe to run the bot. All conditions are met in this scenario. Bot run has started. The bot will now start scanning the market price, and every time the tick RSI is at 49 to 51 levels, the bot will execute a trade, making 50% return on investment or losing the stake in case of a wrong prediction. The accuracy rate ranges from 85% and above if you follow the rules strictly. First trade has been won. Watch and see how the strategy plays out. Losses are part of the game. The bot has experienced 2 losses in a row, and that is a drawdown. But as long as our RSI stays within the set price range, the bot should recover quickly. So give it some room for recovery. Personally, I stop my loss if I get 5 wrong trades in a row, which I have not experienced using this bot strategy. Loss recovered at the third entry. I will hold the run since the RSI is still within the 40-60 price range. Always keep an eye on the price and be cautious once it starts breaking out of the 40-60 RSI levels. Like here on this chart, price broke past the 60 RSI level with this big green candlestick. That is a sign to stop running the bot, since price is trending to the upside. So that means the accumulator barrier may be broken most of the times. Bot run stopped with 13 wins and 7 losses, and a profit of $10 has been generated. That is a good run. I will be sharing the timed version of this bot on my Telegram channel. You can download it and test it and see how it performs on your end. I have also gotten a request to add virtual hook plugin, so I will be working on that. That is it for this bot trading guide. See you on the next video.